Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll show you a magical drink. It's hibiscus tea. This tea is natural and doesn't cause any side effects. This magical drink helps loss weight and glowing skin. Here we picked 4 red Semberiti flowers. To make this herbal tea, we need hibiscus. In Malayalam, this flower name is Chemberiti poo. Let's start making our hibiscus tea. For this we need flowers, lemon, ginger and water. First we need to boil the water. Here I am taking 4 cups of water and also add ginger pieces. Then remove the petal from the flower and clean it well. Now boiled water is ready. And put the hibiscus petal into the hot water and mix it well. Now you can see the petals colors are mixed in the water. Then remove the petal. Now the water light pink and purple. Our drink is ready. For taste, you can add sugar, salt or pepper as you wish. Then add lemon juice. Now we can see the magic. Our hibiscus tea is ready. This tea you can serve hot or cold. Hibiscus tea is rich, powerful antioxidant and good for weight loss and glowing skin. Please try everyone. If you like our video, please share it your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.